Ceramic Speed Driven. What you see here is a bicycle with an improved transmission, the fastest in the world. The creators of Ceramic Speed Driven decided that they want to abandon the familiar chain, the rear switch, and the cassette cluster. As a substitute, a drive rotary shaft was used for the design. Engineers worked for a year and a half to create a transmission with friction losses of less than 1%. That is, the finished product was supposed to have 99% efficiency when transferring the power of the rider to the rear wheel. In July this year at the Eurobike exhibition, the developers finally showed the transmission, which proves they managed to achieve the task. The creators say that thanks to the transmission, you can turn the wheels 50% more efficiently than even the most sophisticated and advanced modern bicycles. To achieve this result, the developers reduced the number of friction points while carefully selecting bearings. It's noteworthy that the very concept of a rotary shaft is not new and is used in cars. However, all attempts to adapt it to a bicycle have failed before, because there was too much friction. The solution that finally solved this problem was a circle of bearings that rotates just one chainring, instead of 5 or even 7. Ding bike lights. Every year, more and more people decide to use a bicycle as the main means of transportation. However, because of the huge number of cars on the streets, riding in the dark is not that safe. Ding bike lights helps to solve this problem, as it's a simple but effective device that significantly improves safety. To illuminate the roads, the device uses LED technology. 2 beams of light are directed forward, and an additional light is directed down, lighting the road under the bike. Statistics show that 2/3 of accidents involving cyclists occur when a car turns and accidentally runs into a bicycle. The problem is that standard lights only light forward and backward, making the rider almost invisible from the side in the dark. That's why Ding is equipped with an additional beam of light that illuminates the ground. This technology makes the bike noticeable from all angles. The forward beam, which lights forward, has a high color rendering index. Its color temperature is 5600 Kelvin. This is something between a fluorescent white light and a standard daylight white light source. Its power is 400 lumens, while the power of the lower beam is 150 lumens. You can buy the device starting at $70. Zone DPMX. The creation of the device that you see on the screen took about 6 years. The developers of Zone DPMX had to create a speedometer that would be comfortable for wearing, compact, reliable, and also affordable. The final device is the world's first speedometer that can be attached to a person, not to a bicycle. The device consists of 2 parts connected together. The upper sensor is attached to the top of the cyclist's sneaker and measures the cadence, the number of pedal turns per minute. The lower one is attached to the sole of the sneaker and is a calibrated sensor whose task is to measure the force when pressing the pedal. Thus, the device measures the speed of rotation of the pedals and the force of pressing, and then transfers the received data to the bicycle if it's equipped with a cycling computer. One of the remarkable features of the device is its small weight, only 44 grams, which allows the cyclist not to feel it on his or her leg. In addition, the Zone DPMX is water resistant and capable of operating in a wide range of temperatures, from -10 to +60 degrees Celsius. After recharging, it's able to work for about 15 hours. There are 2 versions of the device. The Zone DPMX Single is attached to the left sneaker, and the Zone DPMX Dual to both. The cost of the first one is about $450, and the second one costs $900. BitLock. This is a smart electronic lock which not only protects the bicycle, but also allows you to forget about using a key forever. At first sight, BitLock practically doesn't differ from a traditional bicycle lock. However, there are differences, since the smartphones perform the function of the key in the system. To start using BitLock, you have to spend $140 and download a special mobile application. After its activation, unlocking occurs automatically as soon as the owner approaches the bike. The application sends a signal to the lock using Bluetooth, so the device recognizes its owner. In addition to the main function, BitLock has many others. For example, you can open the lock without approaching the bike via the mobile application. Also, BitLock allows you to always be aware of where the parked bike is, as it tracks its location with GPS and shows it on the map. The device is equipped with a battery with about 5 years of battery life. The lock is resistant to water and changes in temperature, so you can use it all year round. Bar stow system and minibar. Mineral Design has developed a way to always keep tools for the bicycle chain and compact bits ready at hand. The minibar is a compact portable storage for 6 bits of a standard size of 60mm. It's equipped with 2 powerful neodymium magnets so that it wouldn't accidentally open during the ride. The tool that comes in the kit and is part of the repository with 3 places for attaching bits. The 2 upper ones are for the performance of torque and the lower one for tightening screws. The tool is made of light, welded steel pipe, showing excellent reliability and compactness. The minibar is only 97mm long and 33.5mm wide, thus it practically doesn't take up any space. The bar stow system is an innovative system that allows you to store tools right inside the bike. It's a complete chain-breaking tool with integrated chain link storage that fits inside the handlebar. Thus, the biker doesn't even need to think about taking these tools just in case. They're always at hand, easily accessible. As a set, these 2 devices cost about $60. Maglock bike pedal. These are innovative magnetic pedals for mountain bikes. Many cyclists engaged in mountain biking use contact pedals, since they can significantly improve the efficiency of torsion. However, the traditional design has a number of drawbacks. You need special shoes for one, and the clamp in it is quickly clogged with dirt and dust. In addition, some cyclists are uncomfortable with the very idea of fastening their feet to the pedals. Maglock is able to replace contact pedals and doesn't have these disadvantages. To hold the foot, these pedals use special magnets. They're easy to clean and it's simple to put your leg in the right position in seconds. The device is designed in such a way that it's easy to detach from the foot, which makes the fall safer. The kit includes a special clip, compatible with any models of bicycle shoes. Besides, the user chooses how strong the connection is between the pedal and the boot. The cost of these pedals is $110.